people walking down.
Walking down it.
Driving in my car. Trucks must not meet vehicles on curb. How are they going to do that?
So trucks have to stop.
Yeah,
You can see if you're in a truck.
I guess.
Wow.
Blimey, this is weird. We're underneath the
Railway.
railway.
You can hear him.
Cool.
Wow.
Wow. That's different, isn't it?
Yeah.
Driving in your car.